Students, in last class we learned bad debts, provision for bad and doubtful debts, and provision for discount on debtor. In last class we learned 4 problems. In this class we are going to learn 3 problems. First look at the first problem. Trial balance, debit and credit. Debtor 2,50,000. Debtor goes to balance sheet asset side. 2,50,000. Next we have bad debts written off. This is old bad debts debited to the profit and loss account. Bad debts, old, value 4,000 rupees. Next we have old provision. We should leave it. We'll take when we deduct new provision. Then we'll consider the adjustment. First, bad debts to be written off. To be written off, this is a new bad debts, 10,000 we should deduct from debtor. Minus bad debts new. Value 10,000. Balance 2,40,000. This new bad debts should be added with the old bad debts. New bad debt should be added with the old bad debts. So our total bad debts 14,000. Now we have one more adjustment. Create 5% as provision for bad debts. Minus provision for bad and doubtful debts new. How many percent? 5% on debtor 12,000. Balance 2,28,000. This new provision for bad and doubtful debts should be added with the old bad debts and old bad debts and new bad debts 26,000. Then we have to deduct the old provision. We have to deduct old provision for bad and doubtful debts. Value 28,000. Here we are getting the negative value. If we get negative value after deducting old provision for bad and doubtful debts, if we get a negative value, which means the old provision for bad and doubtful debts is more than old bad debts and new bad debts. Okay. Now what we supposed to do? If we get negative balance, the entire item which are we posted to the debit side, we should bring it to the credit side. So we should cancel this. We should cancel this. It will go to the credit side. We have to change the order. Here old bad debts 1, new bad debts 2, provision for doubtful debts a new, third one and the fourth one. We should reverse it. Here the first item is by provision for bad and doubtful debts old. The last item comes first. Then we have to change the sign. Then minus provision for bad and doubtful debts new. How much? 12,000. Balance 16,000. Then minus bad debts. Bad debts new. How much? 10,000. Balance 6,000. Then minus bad debts old 4,000. 2,000. Students, when we get negative balance, we should cancel it. It will go to the credit side. When it will go, the old provision exceeds bad debts and new provision, it will go to the credit side. Now I am going to record adjusting entry and transfer entry. Adjusting entry and transfer entry for bad debts. For bad debts, adjusting entry is bad debts account debtor to debtor. Bad debts account debtor to debtor. How much we deducted? New bad debts 10,000. Then the bad debts, new and old bad debt should be transferred to provision for bad and doubtful debts. Why we have old provision? When old provision are given, we should not transfer bad debts to the profit and loss account. The bad debt should be transferred to the provision for bad and doubtful debts. Provision for bad and doubtful debts account debtor to bad debts. How much we should transfer? New bad debts and old bad debts. New bad debts and old bad debts, how much? 14,000. Next we have to record adjusting entry for provision for bad and doubtful debts. Here the provision for bad and doubtful debts credited to the profit and loss account. So entry is provision for bad and doubtful debts account debtor to profit and loss account. We have to take the net value. If old provision is given, we supposed to take the net value. For this, narration is being bad debts written off. Here bad debts transferred to the provision for bad and doubtful debts. Next here, provision for bad and doubtful debts provided. Then I am going to prepare bad debts account. I am going to prepare bad debts account. Old bad debts, opening balance how much? 2 balance BD 4,000. Then consider this year in first entry bad debts debited. So 2 debtor 10,000. Here bad debts credited by provision for bad and doubtful debts 14,000. Always the bad debt should agree. Now I am going to prepare provision for bad and doubtful debts. Opening balance credited, closing balance debited. Opening balance given in the question how much? 28,000. Closing balance just now we ascertained how much? 12,000. Then bad debts transferred to the provision for doubtful debts. So here provision for bad and doubtful debts debited. So 2 bad debts 14,000. 28,000 minus 26,000, 2,000 rupees should be transferred to the profit and loss account. For this entry is provision for bad and doubtful debts accounted to profit and loss account. For this we recorded this entry. Students, today we are going to learn 3 problems. Just now we completed one. We'll see the second problem. Students, now we'll see today second problem, but it is a 6th problem. Okay, look at the problem. Trial balance, debit, credit. Debtor is given. Debtor, it will appear in the asset side. Debtor, it will appear in the asset side. Next we have bad debts. It is a old bad debts debited to the profit and loss account. Old bad debts debited to the profit and loss account, value 4,000. Old provision, we'll put tick mark, we'll take later. Then first adjustment, write off 10,000 as bad debts. We have to deduct bad debts from debtor. Bad debts, new. How much? 10,000. So balance 2,40,000. This bad debts we have to add with the old bad debts. So new bad debt should be added with the old bad debts. So total 14,000. Next we have provide 5% as provision for bad and doubtful debts minus provision for bad debts. Next we have to provide 5% provision for bad and doubtful debts on 2,40,000. It is 12,000. So balance 2,28,000. This new provision for bad and doubtful debts. Provision for bad and doubtful debts, new 12,000, total 26,000. Old provision for bad and doubtful debts are given in the question we marked earlier. It should be deducted. Value how much? 10,000. It should be deducted. So balance we should bring it to the outer column. Next we have one more adjustment. Create, this is a new adjustment. Create 2% as provision for discount on debtor minus provision for discount on debtor. 2% new. 0, 0, 6, 5, 4. 0, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Okay. What we are supposed to do? We have to show provision for discount on debtor on the debit side of profit and loss account separately. New. Value how much? 4,560. Now I am going to record adjusting entry and transfer entry for bad debts. Adjusting entry is bad debts account debtor, bad debts account debtor, to debtor. This is for new bad debts. New bad debts how much? 10,000. Next we have to record transfer entry. Here old provision is given. So provision for bad debts account debtor provision for bad debts account debtor to bad debts. We have to transfer new bad debts and old bad debts to the provision for bad and doubtful debts. How much? 14,000. 14,000. Next we have to record adjusting entry for provision for bad and doubtful debts. Here the net value recorded in the debit side. So the entry is profit and loss account debtor to provision for bad debts. We have to take net value because the old provision for bad and doubtful debts are given. So value how much? 16,000. We have to record one more entry, adjusting entry for provision for discount on debtor. Entry is profit and loss account debtor to provision for discount on debtor. How much we created? 4,560. Next we are going to prepare ledger account for bad debts. Bad debts ledger account. So I am going to prepare opening bad debts already given in the question. To balance BD, how much? 4,000 rupees old bad debts. Then bad debts account debtor to debtor. To debtor 10,000 rupees. Both old and new bad debts transferred to the provision for bad and doubtful debts. How much? 14,000. Always it should agree. Always it should agree. Next we have to prepare provision for bad and doubtful debts. We have to prepare ledger account for provision for bad and doubtful debts. Old provision for bad and doubtful debts recorded credit side, which is given in the question. Provision for bad and doubtful debts old how much? 10,000. Then we should take new provision for bad and doubtful debts. Just now we created how much? 12,000 rupees. Then how much we transferred from bad debts to provision? 14,000. So to bad debts, how much we transferred? 14. So balance 26,000. Out of 26,000, if we deduct 10,000, 16,000 transferred to the profit and loss account. For this value we recorded this entry. Then we have to prepare one more new ledger called provision for discount on debtor. We have to prepare one more ledger for provision for discount on ledger. It is like a provision for discount, provision for bad and doubtful debts. So opening balance credited, closing balance debited. In this problem, opening balance not given, closing balance just now we ascertained 4,560. It should be transferred to the profit and loss account by profit and loss account transfer. Students, today we completed the 6th sum. Let me see the next sum, 7th sum. Students, now we'll see the last problem, 7th problem. Look at the question. Trial balance, debit credit, debtor given, how much? 2,50,000. Bad debts written off, old bad debts given, provision for bad and doubtful debts, old provision for doubtful debts given, discount allowed given, provision for discount on debtor, old given, adjustment, write off bad debts, provision for doubtful debts and discount on debtor. So it is a complete problem which include all the adjustment. Now I am going to solve, listen carefully. Debtor 2,50,000, it will appear in the asset side. Debtor 2,50,000 appeared in the asset side. Then we have bad debts. This is old bad debts debited to the profit and loss account. Old bad debts debited to the profit and loss account. Value how much? 4,000. Then old provision we will not take now, we will take later. Then discount allowed we will take later. Then provision for discount on debtor we will take later. These three we will use later. Now go to the adjustment. Write off 10,000 as bad debts minus bad debts new 10,000, balance 2,40,000. Then we have second adjustment, provide 5% as provision for bad and doubtful debts minus provision for bad and doubtful debts new 5% on 2,40,000, 12,000. So balance 2,28,000. Then we have one more adjustment, provision for discount on debtor new. All new bad debts, new provision for doubtful debts, new discount on debtor should be deducted from debtor in the asset side. So new item only should be deducted from debtor. Old item will not come to balance sheet. So 2% of this equal to 0,654. So balance 0,44322. Now come to profit and loss account. Old bad debts plus new bad debts. Old bad debts plus new bad debts. New bad debts how much? 10,000. So bad debts concern old bad debts plus new bad debts. Then provision for bad and doubtful debts. Concern new should be added. New 12,000. Old provision for bad and doubtful debts given in the question already we marked that we should deduct. Provision for bad and doubtful debts old how much? 10,000 we should deduct. Then the remaining balance we should bring it to the outer column. Then we should start with the discount allowed. Discount allowed already we marked in the trial balance. Discount allowed how much? 3,000 rupees. In that we have to add provision for discount on debtor new. Provision for discount on debtor new we ascertained 4,560. Total 7,560. Of that we have to deduct provision for discount on debtor old, that is given in the trial balance. How much? 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees. So 5,560. Now I am going to record adjusting entry and transfer entry. First I am going to record adjusting entry, transfer entry for bad debts. Adjusting entry, bad debts account debtor to debtor, the value new bad debts. Next, the bad debt should be transferred to the provision for doubtful debts because old provision for bad and doubtful debts are given. So new bad debts and old bad debts should be transferred to provision for bad and doubtful debts. Since old provision for doubtful debts given, we should transfer the provision for bad debts to profit and loss account. For that we should consider net value. How much? 16,000. 16,000. Then we have to record adjusting entry for provision for discount on debtor. Here also we have old provision for discount on debtor. So we should take the net value. Net value how much? 5,560. 5,560. Now I am going to prepare bad debts ledger account. Bad debts ledger account. Opening balance given in the trial balance. Old bad debts how much? 4,000. Then consider that adjusting entry of bad debts account debtor to debtor, value how much? 10,000. The bad debts transfer to provision for bad and doubtful debts. How much? 14,000. 14,000. Then we are going to prepare ledger account for provision for bad and doubtful debts. Old provision for bad and doubtful debts given in the question. Old provision for bad and doubtful debts given in the question. Provision for bad and doubtful debts old how much? 10,000. New provision for bad and doubtful debts we created. Provision for doubtful debts new how much? 12,000. Then we transferred bad debts to the provision for doubtful debts to bad debts. Bad debts how much? 14,000. 14,000. 14,000. So 26,000 minus 10,000, 16,000 transferred to profit and loss account. So we recorded this entry, profit and loss account data to provision for bad and doubtful debts. Then we have to prepare the last ledger, provision for discount on debtor. Here we have old provision for discount on debtor. Old provision for discount on debtor given in the question 2,000. New provision for discount on debtor we ascertained 4,560. Then we have to adjust the discount also. Discount allowed should be debited in the provision for discount on debtor when old provision is given. How much discount allowed? 3,000. So 7,560 minus 2,000, 5,560, it should be transferred to profit and loss account. Students, we learned the treatment of bad debts, provision for doubtful debts, and provision for discount and return. In next class, we'll solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.